Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of I Heard That the Queen Mother and the Queen, chapter 23. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Gwing Jiangshu. Okay, he's quite good at fanning the flames. Well, this little queen right now. Let him here waiting for me. Right now, looking at her. She looks really disappointed because the assassin thinks that she is a small person. Right now, Queen Xiangshu think of herself as highly. Thank you very much. Now, she's walking forward. Go straight. Queen Mother also targeting the assassin. Queen Jiangshu right now, she's waving her swords. Lady Jiang is so courageous. Well, right now, she wants to prove herself. She can also protect herself and also the Queen Mother. Queen Jiangshu said, to eliminate your nemesis, you just need to. Well, she came in forward. Also the Queen Mother. Two of them are waving the swords toward the assassin. Well, you. The two of them finally fulfill their mission. And the assassin, it seems that he was no match for the two queens right now. Well, it seems that the assassin knows the two queens are not close to each other, but he seems to be wrong. Not mortal enemies. Well, she was right. Two queen already amends the mistakes and also discuss the problems. Right now, assassin has been tricked too. But for now, Queen Jiangshu seems to be a little shaky. Probably this is the first time that she's only using a dagger and it really works well. On the other hand, when she remembers why she asking the Queen Mother before she's giving her a dagger, well, this is the reason. To protect herself. In that time, she is asking the Queen Mother. The Queen Mother said, you need to guess it, but it was right then. Right now, she really did it well. Sister, did I do well? Looking at the little queen, right now, Queen Jiangshu, she looks really proud of herself. But for the Queen Mother right now, of course, she is really worried about Queen Jiangshu, that she might be not able to pull out. But it turns out it really won't work well. If it weren't for the injury on my hand, the queen is feel sad, of course. She thought to herself that she can save the little queen. But the situation is getting circle. Give you the dagger, not for this. Now, Queen Jiangshu. She was holding the hands of the Queen Mother. Oh, the two of them still kissing each other even though the situation is getting better. Queen Mother said, I won't come to you to seek revenge either. Oh, the two of them. King Jiangshu, right now, she seems to be surprised. Queen Mother's mind, she won't really save her. But for her, she really saved the Queen Mother right now. What does it mean? Has nothing to do with me. But then, I the savior. Oh, Queen Jiangshu, right now, she thinks highly of herself because this is the first time she said to Queen Mother. She is kind of special, something like a hero. Now she thinks, does her sister disown you? Well, the Queen Mother seems to be surprised why Queen Jiangshu is always smart. And right now, she's been outsmart. Queen Mother said, you are really... Well, finally, she's been recognized. The Queen Mother herself. Right now, the two of them still teasing each other. Even though the Queen Mother right now, she was thinking hard that she's been outsmart by the little queen itself. Think carefully about what reward you want. Aisha will meet anything of your condition. Right now, Queen Jiangshu, her eyes is popping. It's like it was really shining. Thinking of any conditions can be granted because of her being heroine. And don't I have one more life-saving trump card? Oh, this little queen right now. Sitting over high for herself. And thank you, sister. I really want to coax the queen mother. Sister hasn't thought about it. But after she thought about it, can she come back to her and cash it? Well, the queen mother seems to be fond of her. Right now, she totally agreed with her condition. Okay, but Queen Jiangsu right now, of course, she was really blushing for strict queen mother. Well, for her feelings, it was really flattering towards the queen mother. This woman, since when she become talkative. Well, right now, she can keep herself. Anyway, tonight, still Christmas Eve. Subordinates do things poorly, please punish the queen mother. Oh, was tough. Commander of the Royal Formosa Army was not able to escort the emperor and was fined for 1 year. Ordered the army to conduct thorough investigations about the palace, but I didn't know that at that time. Liar, big liar, I don't want you to hug me. So real, it made me so worried. Now, she's really unrest. Okay, baby, it's okay. Just that the queen mother or she has decided to suppress the family members. Right now, the little queen was trying to calm the little emperor. Just begun. History books can indeed lie. I'll totally agree with her. Now, since a lot of things happen, Queen Jiangsu, she looked up. Maybe she was thinking hard. What will she gonna do? So in future, she can help the queen mother herself run the wolf palace. I didn't know until I talked with the father Chang. Well, it was really troublesome. Li Changning do not exile the wine and governor. Gu family just to control the wealthy Yunnan. To touch the Gu family. Oh, it turns out because they relied on their aristocratic privilege to enclose land wantonly. People and Wainan have long been in dire straits. So-called beginning of tyranny, it's more like the beginning of rectifying the official dam. The queen mother, she was really smart, even though the little queen is trying to understand what the queen mother was thinking and planning. Of course, right now, has it always been. The queen mother always finds herself. Have I misunderstood her? Well, definitely she is. Right now, she is in front of the queen mother. The door suddenly opened. Squeak sounds can be heard. Right now, the queen mother is really serious about reading the books. But when the person came in, turns out, come here, Jiangsu was the little queen who came to her chamber. Well guys, the story is getting better. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!